Welcome to Raja Susila Holistics. Let's check the energies for Aquarians this week. Where you need to focus, where you need to bring change, what changes the universe is going to send you, what are the things you need to give attention. The first thing in your life which is going to come is friendship. Friendship is there for you, connection and appreciation. Connection, and you need to appreciate your friends and connect with your friends, value your friends, and also value your friendship with others. Not only your friends here, also those who are ready to help you, the angels, the ascended masters, the higher dimensional beings who are also a friend of you in time of need. Try to connect with them, try to take their help, appreciate and give gratitude for their help they give you, and bring in the courage inside you, bringing bridges inside and outside. This courage is the thing which makes things happen from inside and outside. So that courage also you have to bring from inside with the help of your divine friendship with the higher realms. So let's see what your ascended masters want to say, how you need to be, how you need to focus, and where, in which spheres, and how this week is going to be, how they are going to help you. The first card is Angelite, spiritual or religious community. Join with like-minded people for friendship and increased spiritual growth. Again, the card of friendship has come. So here what it says, that if you want to achieve something in your life, whether it is your spiritual life, whether it is your emotional life or your material life, you need to achieve something, you need to join hands with like-minded people. So in this process you need to rekindle your friendship with people with whom you did not have much connection from long time. So this card says connect with those people and appreciate their help to you and rekindle your friendship. And this card also says that you have to rekindle your friendship. That will help you a lot. You can see the synchronicity of the cards, how the friendship is going to help you in this process. And the second card for you is own your divine power. Replace codependent people pleasing with assertiveness and empowerment. But it doesn't mean that you need to depend upon people who are no longer help you in this process. You replace with people who help you in this process of journey of achieving something, and who empower you with assertiveness. Try to mingle with such people so that you can get the power from them and you can achieve your goals and deeds. And the wellness card has come. It says that you will recover from what you have lost, you will recover from what you wanted to recover and what you want to achieve. That will be quite easy for you in this process. And the other card for you is Azurite, deep emotional healing. Your heart is ready to heal from past experiences and you are willing to devote time and energy towards therapeutic care. Here what it says, that sometimes something has happened in the past that you are not able to heal or forget, but this time if you want to move on, if you want to achieve something, you have to heal and forget the past and take the help of your friends and dear ones and heal yourself and move on to achieve the things. That's what this card says, that deep emotional healing is necessary. You can take the help of your friends or some energy healer to help you to forget the past. Try to entertain yourself, which makes you happy. That will also help you in this. And the first card for you is Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups says that you will be in a happy position. There is nothing to worry. The process may be strenuous now, but at the end you will be in a happy situation. That's what this card says. The second card is the Fool. The Fool card says you have to start and begin something new which will give you happiness, and that will be a successful one. Don't think that you can't do, it's not there in me, I can't do it. Don't have such things in your mind, and with good guts and help from others and your motivation from your friends, try to start something new which is your inner passion. Try to accomplish that with the courage. You have to bring in the inner courage of inside you and put it up and do the beginning. And Eight of Swords says that, but you are not able to do that because of some past emotional problem. You are feeling yourself tied up in such situation. This card also says that some emotional scars are there in your life which is not making you to move ahead. You have to go for a deep emotional healing to overcome this tied up feeling of tied upness that you are feeling right now. Such energies will pull you back in your ascension. And the Hierophant card says you can lean upon someone who can help you in this process, some divine personality or your teacher or someone like your mentor or a healer who can help you to overcome this emotional scars that is pulling you back. That is very much essential at this time. And the Temperance card says you don't give space for fear and illusionary worries. You need to be in balance at this time and go for energy healing, because you know whatever you start now, it will end up in a happy position. So whatever things which are pulling you back are from your inner fear. So the card Courage, the beginning only has told that you need to bring in your inner courage with the help of your friends or someone very near to you who will help you to overcome these emotional scars. Now let's see what the angels have to say to you, how they can help you, how they will guide you in this process. The first card for you is Mother Mary. So she says, open your heart. Angels will sing blessings. They will enfold you with their love and blessings. So open your heart. Tell others what pains you, what is your problem. Seek the help of angels. They will help you to overcome the problem and bless you to win. And Lord Kumeka says that unconditional love, acceptance and personal responsibility. Call on Lord Kumeka to enlighten and support you. So call on Lord Kumeka. He will help you to overcome all your drawbacks, your setbacks, your pains, your emotional scars, to overcome and you ascend in the ascension path to win over and to start a new beginning in your life. Lemurian healing crystals to help us through the transition of new golden age. Take the help of healing crystals if you are afraid of something, some emotional scars are giving you problem. Try to use lepidolite crystals to help you to overcome this problem. Take the lepidolite crystal in your hand and rub yourself with your palm or keep it near you, or you can wear a lepidolite crystal around your neck to help you to overcome emotional scars and panics that is hindering your way. And the conclusion card for is Mary Magdalene. She says, I maintain my truth and see the spirituality in all things, and main thing is courage to maintain your integrity. Again the card of courage is coming. So be true to yourself, be courage to tell what is in your heart and take the help of your friends, and the higher realms are ready to help you. Just ask, they will help you. Be courageous and take the help of your friends and overcome this situation. You can win over and you can accomplish your endeavors in good way, and you will be in a safe and comfortable position. So enjoy, guys. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.